Hey, this is Mark. Welcome to Fishy Fed Comics, Toy Cars and a Story. We got a little different show for you today. We got another unboxing of this single Guff regular run Hot Wheels. Marcus and Terri sent it over to me. I appreciate it there, Marcus and Terri. Hey, we're actually drilling a hole in the top of this car, and we're putting what I call a hook eye in the top of it so I can hang a string or a shoestring to it. And I'm also going to be hanging it from my mirror in my truck. You can also do this to Christmas ornaments and hang them on your tree. So I'll probably doing this later on at Christmas. But hey, for those of you that hadn't done this, this is pretty cool. It's a cheap way to have some fun, and I think it's pretty cool to ride around and see a Hot Wheels in your car, man. Hey, thank you for tuning in.